हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम फिर से आ गए हैं एक नई वीडियो लेकर। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले एक इंस्पिरेशनल कोट से ये वीडियो मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ आज। अ लॉयर विद अ ब्रीफ केस कैन स्टील मोर देन 1,000 मैन विद गन्स। गाइज आई नो पेंडेमिक का टाइम चल रहा है और जो न्यू एडवोकेट्स हैं जिन्होंने हाल फिलहाल प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट की थी वो बहुत निराश हो रहे होंगे, बट कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है। जल्दी हम इस पेंडेमिक से ओवरकम करेंगे और एक नॉर्मल लाइफ वापस से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। होप फॉर द बेस्ट। सो आइए गाइज, इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं आज इंडिपेंडेंस टाइम से आज तक जितने भी प्रेसिडेंट्स रहे हैं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स रहे हैं, उनका कार्यकाल, उन्होंने कितने टाइम तक ऑफिस संभाला है एज अ प्रेसिडेंट और एज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर। तो आज हम वो सब कवर अप करने वाले हैं। तो आइए गाइज शुरू करते हैं। प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया। गाइज, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He was born in 1884 and he met with death in 1963. The tenure of the Dr. Rajendra Prasad as president is from 26th January 1950 to 13th May 1962. Guys, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद बेसिकली बिहार से थे और वो एक वकील थे। और डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग प्रेसिडेंट थे और वो एक फ्रीडम फाइटर भी थे। उन्होंने इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट में एक अहम भूमिका निभाई थी। नाउ सेकंड प्रेसिडेंट वाज डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण। इनकी बर्थ डेट 1888 एंड ही मेट विद डेथ in 1975. He was the second president and the tenure period of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna from 13th May 1962 to 13th May 1967 as president. Radhakrishna was prominent philosopher and a writer. Also held position of वाइस चांसलर ऑफ द आंध्र प्रदेश एंड बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी। और राधा कृष्ण जी को भारत रत्न से भी नवाजा गया था 1954 में प्रेसिडेंट बनने से पहले। नाउ थर्ड प्रेसिडेंट वाज डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन। द टेन्योर पीरियड ऑफ जाकिर हुसैन वाज 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969। ये अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर रह चुके थे और इनको पद्म विभूषण और भारत रत्न से नवाजा गया था। ही वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट टू डाई इन ऑफिस। डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन पहले ऐसे राष्ट्रपति थे जिनकी डेथ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफिस में हुई थी। ही वॉज ऑल्सो द शॉर्टेस्ट सर्विंग and first Muslim president. He was the first Muslim president of our India. Varagiri Venkat Giri was the fourth president. He was acting president. इनको temporary period of time के लिए अपॉइंट किया गया था। सडनली डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन जी की डेथ हो गई थी, इस वजह से इनको एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किया गया। वेंकट गिरी was elected vice president of India in 1967. Following the death of President Zakir Hussain, Giri was appointed as acting president. He resigned after few months to take part in presidential elections. Next is Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah. He was the Chief Justice of India and was also recipient of the Order of British Empire. He served as acting president until the election of Giri as a president of India. Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah भी उस दौरान एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट रहे थे। फिर उसके बाद वेंकट गिरी जी इलेक्शंस जीत गए प्रेसिडेंट के और इन्होंने टोटल 5 साल तक प्रेसिडेंट का ऑफिस संभाला था। गिरी was the first to have served as both an acting president and president of India. ये फर्स्ट ऐसे पर्सन थे जिन्होंने एज एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ऑफिस हेल्ड किया था उस दौरान। He was the recipient of Bharat Ratna and had served as Labour and Employment Minister and High Commissioner of Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Next is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was the 5th President of India. He held office from 24th August 1974 to the period of 11th February 1977. Ahmad served as minister before being elected as president. He died in 1977. before his term of office ended and was the second Indian president to die in office. He was also president during emergency. Emergency के दौरान ये फखरुद्दीन अहमद जी प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके थे। उसके बाद अहमद जी की ऑफिस में डेथ हो गई थी, तो फिर एज ए एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट बसपा दन्नप्पा जट्टी को एज अ एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किया गया, जिनका कार्यकाल सिर्फ 164 दिनों का रहा, जो कि 11 फरवरी 1977 से लेकर 25 जुलाई 1977 तक था। बी डी जट्टी was the vice president of India during Ahmed's term of office and was sworn in as acting president upon Ahmed's death. He earlier served as the chief minister of Mysore. Next, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was the sixth president of India. He held the office of president for 5 years. Reddy was the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh during that period, and he was the only member of parliament from Janata Party to get elected from Andhra Pradesh. Now, seventh president of India was Gyani Zail Singh. इनका कार्यकाल भी पूरे 5 साल का रहा उस दौरान, और in March 1972, Singh assumed the position of Chief Minister of Punjab, and in 1980 he became Union Home Minister, and he was also Secretary General to Non-Aligned Movement from 1983 to 1986. Now, next is 8th President, who was रामास्वामी वेंकटरमन. इनका कार्यकाल भी पूरे 5 साल का था. नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर शंकर दयाल शर्मा was the 9th president who held the office for 5 years, and Sharma was the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh and union minister of communications. He also served as the governor of Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Maharashtra. 10th president K R Narayana. Narayana served as India's ambassador to Thailand, Turkey, China and United States of America. He received doctorates in science and law, was also a chancellor in several universities. He was also the vice chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University. He was the first Dalit president. K R Narayana was the first Dalit president during that period. Now, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an educator and engineer who played a leading role in development of India's ballistic missile and nuclear weapons program. He also received the Bharat Ratna, and he was popularly known as People's President. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम जी को People's President भी कहा जाता था. He was such a legend. Pratibha Patil was the 12th president of our India. She was the first woman to become the president of India. She was also the first female governor of Rajasthan. Pranab Mukherjee was the 13th president of India. Mukherjee held various posts in cabinet ministry of the government of India, such as finance minister, foreign minister, defense minister and deputy chairman of planning and commission. Now, 14th president is Ram Nath Kovind, which is our current president of our India. Kovind, a member of parliament from 1994 to 2006. He is the second Dalit president after K R Narayana and first president from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and is an active member of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. He is an active member of RSS since his youth. Now, let's move to the list of Prime Ministers of India. The first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in 1889 and met with death 1964. He held the office of Prime Minister from 15th August 1947 to 27th May 1964. The first Prime Minister of India and the longest serving as Prime Minister of India. He was the first Prime Minister who died in the office of PM. After the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzari Lal Nanda was appointed as a acting Prime Minister who held the office for 13 days only, and he was the first acting Prime Minister. Gulzari Lal Nanda was the first acting Prime Minister. Now, second Prime Minister was Lal Bahadur Shastri. He held the office for 1 year and 216 days. और गाइज, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी ने एक स्लोगन दिया था, जय जवान जय किसान, during the Indo-Pak War in 1965. After that, Gulzari Lal Nanda was again appointed as a acting Prime Minister on 11th January 1966, and till the period of 24th January 1966, again Gulzari Lal Nanda was appointed as a acting Prime Minister for 13 days only. Next, third Prime Minister was Indira Gandhi, जिन्होंने 11 साल और 59 दिनों तक Prime Minister का ऑफिस संभाला था, and Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India. After that, fourth Prime Minister was Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai was the oldest to become prime minister. That time he was about 81 years old and first to resign from office. He gave resign. Morarji Desai was the first person who gave resign from the PM office. Fifth Prime Minister Chaudhary Charan Singh Ji was the fifth Prime Minister of India who held the office for 170 days and only PM who did not face the parliament. ये कभी पार्लियामेंट में अपीयर नहीं हुए थे कभी भी अपने कार्यकाल के दौरान. After that, Indira Gandhi again appointed as a Prime Minister of India and she was the first lady who served as PM for the second term. Rajiv Gandhi was the sixth Prime Minister of India and Rajiv Gandhi was the youngest to become Prime Minister. That time when he was appointed as a Prime Minister of India, he was about 40 years old only. And Rajiv Gandhi held the office for 5 years and 32 days. Now, seventh Prime Minister of India was Vishwanath Pratap Singh, who held the office for 343 days and first PM to step down after a vote of no confidence. Now, eighth Prime Minister was Chandrasekhar, जिनका कार्यकाल 223 दिनों का रहा and he belongs to the Samajwadi Janata Party. PV Narasimha Rao was the ninth Prime Minister of India. Guys, PV Narasimha Rao जी को आप भूल ही नहीं सकते हैं कि he was the ninth Prime Minister who held the office from 21st June 1991 till the period of 16th May 1996. गाइज इसी दौरान अगर आपने एक वेब सीरीज आई थी हर्षद मेहता नाम से, ठीक है, उसमें हमारे एक सीनियर एडवोकेट, आई वुड से अ लेजेंड, राम जेठमलानी हर्षद मेहता के एडवोकेट रहे थे उस दौरान और उन्होंने जो 500 करोड़ का जो घोटाला हुआ था उन्होंने यह आरोप लगाया था कि दैट स्कैम शुड नोन एज बाय द नेम ऑफ पीवी नरसिम्हा राव स्कैम. नेक्स्ट, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी वाज द 10th प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एंड अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी was the first prime minister who held the office of PM for the shortest tenure. He held the office as a prime minister for only 16 days. Now, 11th prime minister was H.D. Dave Gowda and who held the office for 324 days. And 12th प्राइम मिनिस्टर इंदर कुमार गुजराल, जिनका कार्यकाल 332 दिनों का था PM ऑफिस में. उसके बाद में 13th प्राइम मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी, जिनका कार्यकाल 10 साल और 4 दिन रहा एंड ही वाज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम द सिख कम्युनिटी. आफ्टर दैट 14th Prime Minister and current Prime Minister appointed Narendra Modi. He was the 4th Prime Minister of India who served 2 consecutive tenure. So guys, this is all about of this video. We'll meet in the next video with some new content. Till that period, bye bye. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.